For now, I guess this is the closest we'll get to an undefeated Air Max 95, huh? What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Sole Post, and this is another Sole Post unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Max 95 OG in the Sail and Total Orange colorway. Now, this is an Air Max 95 OG colorway. It's not one of the SE or the Essential colorways, so this is the original with the PSI detailing on the bottom. And it comes in this green, orange, and Sail colorway, which looks basically like an undefeated colorway. However, this is not an official undefeated collab. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard red and white Nike sportswear box, and the colorway is string and total orange. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features the suede upper in various shades of green, as well as the mesh panel and the 3M detailing all over the shoe. Taking a look at the toe, you have the olive green toe box, and this is suede, as well as the mesh panels for the toe cap. For the tongue, you've got the mesh tongue in string with the 3M panel in olive, and you've got the green and orange eye stays on the tongue as well. Also on the tongue tag is a green string and orange Air Max logo, and that's just standard for the Air Max 95. The insole is orange with the olive green Nike Air logo. Taking a look at the lateral, you've got the suede overlay panels in various shades of green, and you also have the orange Nike swoosh. The heel is a 3M heel and it's olive green, and it's also got the embossed Nike Air logo on it. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you've got the overlay panels in green. However, you don't have the orange Nike swoosh by the heel. The midsole is olive green with the exposed Nike Air Max unit in orange. And you've got an outsole that's green and orange with the PSI detailing. Of all the new Air Max 95 OG colorways that have come out this year, this is definitely my favorite. Like I said, we've never gotten an undefeated colorway of the Air Max 95, like in undefeated colors. And for them to release this colorway, it's gonna go one of two ways. It's going to be either a coveted colorway that instantly sells out, or it's going to sit and hit outlets. And I hope that it's not gonna be the latter because, again, this is an Air Max 95 OG colorway, as well as the undefeated color scheme. So, in my opinion, I think that it's probably gonna sell out. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump.
Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
Air Max 95 OG in the string and total orange colorway hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on August 16th for a retail price of $170. Alright everyone, this has been another Sole Post unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Sole Post channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Sole Post. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.